Hello! At dito tayo sa Riyadh Metro. Let's experience kung gaano kaganda ang sinasabi nilang Riyadh Metro. Tignan muna natin ang buong paligid. Tignan nyo kung gaano siya kaganda. Super galing! Okay, see you later! Ito yung kanilang station number 2, gate 2, kung saan tayo kukuha ng ticket. Doon daw yun, oh. Yun. Pasok tayo! Ganda! Ito yung first station kung saan tayo kukuha ng ticket. Buying new ticket. Thank you for the help of the beautiful lady here. Speak Tagalog.
Kinda. 305.
Okay.
Cash.
Okay.
Overall, it's 15. We put the cash first. Wait, one by one. Okay, fine. No, I need an old one. Old 5. Copy. This is a new one.
Yeah.
It doesn't accept a new one.
Ayaw nila ng old. Ayaw nila ng new 5 real. Gusto nila old.
You need an old one.
Yeah.
It's gonna come out right now. Wait.
It can be 10 real or...
10 real, it's gonna come out 5 real.
Oh,
We got change, but not for 100. We don't have change.
card na lang ate, card. Card na lang.
Another 2.
1. Ayan, may card na kami. 5 real. Gusto nila old. That's fine. Ayan, okay.
Okay, yeah, good.
Thank you.
Good.
Ayan, process na kami ng 2 card. Thank you.
There's your card. There's your card.
The card is there.
Here you go.
Okay.
Okay, pose,
real.
pose. Okay, film. Tap. Ano lang, dito tayo sa Yellow Line. Papasyalan natin yan. Ito yung train, no? Diba? Ang ganda. Nakakatuwa naman. Let's experience ang pag-ride. Ayan, marami nang bumaba. Hihintay lang tayo ng train. Andito na kami. Maghintay tayo ng train. Wala pa. Punta daw tayo ng airport. Hi, Joji. Saan tayo pupunta? Airport.
Punta daw kami ng airport.
Going to airport.
Okay, going to airport. Umaandar na kami. Ang galing, ang bilis niya. Siyempre, train, di ba?
For international flights.
Yan, parang ka na rin nasa LRT.
LRT na po.
Kita mo.
Terminal 1 and 2. Foreign carriers for international flights. المحطة التالية هي جامعة الأميرة نور اثنان.
Nasa loob kami ng tunnel. Underground. Malapit na kami bumaba. Wait lang. Babalik na kami sa aming pinanggalingan pa. Umikot lang talaga kami. Tignan niyo naman kung gaano katayo kanilang escalator. Experience pa more. Riyadh Airport.
Destination
Ayan, try natin ang underground. O, di ba? Ayan, papasok tayo sa underground. Uy, hindi na namin makita. Kami nang nakikita. Ang ganda. Ganda na kanilang underground. Maliwanag. Nakaiba talaga. O, di ba nakikita niyo din ako? Pakayaw-kayaw ng paa. Ayun. Mahaba siya.
Princess Nora University 2. And doors will open on your right. Destination.
Ayan, dyan kami galing kanina. Babalik na din kami. Umikot lang talaga kami sa take experience at igala kayo. Ayan, nag-enjoy po kayo sa ating tour ng Metro Train ng Riyadh. Sana po nag-enjoy kayo. Pa-share, like, and comments, and don't forget to follow me for more. See you in my next video. Bye, guys!